Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and get signed up right there in your Ticketmaster. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, make sure that you have installed a Ticketmaster app right there in your mobile phone, and then once you do, simply go ahead, tap on that app, and this will open this kind of interface, right? So what you're gonna do is simply go ahead, tap on this next option right there, again next, and now you will have this sign in or create account. Go ahead, tap on that. This will simply open up here in a browser version where you can see this sign in option. So for that purpose, what you can do is simply go ahead, and then you will find the sign up option right beside sign in. Go ahead, tap on that option, and now here you will enter your email address. Once you add in your Gmail password, simply go ahead, enter a password, and once you're done, make sure to complete the rules of the password as well. Enter your first name, enter last, and you will choose your country from over here, and you will add the zip or portal code of your country. And now you will tap on this please tell me about upcoming events. If you want, if you don't want, you can simply go ahead, leave that up. Once you do that, simply go ahead, tap on this next option, and you will have to enter your number. Over here you will tap on this account if you want to, and then once you do that, you will enter your number and you will tap on this next option. Then you will enter the code that you will get in your number right over there. You can go ahead, yes, change your country code from there. Once you do that, you will be able to create your Ticketmaster account and get signed up. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.